Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox Blender animations. First, ensure you have Blender installed on your computer. It's a powerful, free tool. Next, you'll need the Roblox Rig Exporter plugin for Blender, which streamlines the import process. Finally, prepare your Roblox character in Roblox Studio, exporting it as an FBX file, ready for its journey into Blender. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth animation workflow. Once Blender is ready, import your Roblox character using the Rig Exporter plugin. This step is vital for bringing your creation to life. Double-check that the character's rig is properly configured, ensuring all joints and bones are ready for movement. You might need to adjust the character's scale to match Blender's default units, often a 1-to-1 ratio, for optimal animation results. Now for the fun part, animating. Use Blender's powerful animation tools, like keyframes and the dope sheet, to craft your character's movements. Remember core animation principles such as timing and spacing to make your animations feel natural and impactful. Start with a simple sequence, perhaps a walk cycle or a wave, aiming for a duration of 5 to 10 seconds to practice these techniques effectively. After perfecting your animation in Blender, it's time to bring it back to Roblox. Export your animation as an FBX file, making sure to include all animation data. Then, open Roblox Studio and import your FBX animation using the animation editor. Finally, apply your newly created animation to your Roblox character and test it thoroughly within your game environment to see your work in action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.